In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage unsubscribes. Managing unsubscribes is essential for keeping your audience happy, protecting your sender reputation, and staying compliant with email regulations. Let's walk through the process clearly and carefully so you know exactly what to do and why it matters. First, open your account and go to Contacts, then choose Unsubscribed. This dedicated area is where the platform collects everyone who has opted out of receiving your messages. It's designed to give you a clean, accurate view of who no longer wishes to be contacted, which helps you avoid accidental sends and potential complaints. Once you're on the unsubscribed page, take a moment to view the list of contacts who opted out. You'll typically see useful details like the contact information and the date they unsubscribed. Some systems also show the source of the opt-out or the communication type they left. Use this view to understand patterns, such as recent spikes after a specific campaign or segments that disengage more frequently. As you review the list, look for trends that can improve your strategy. For example, if many unsubscribes cluster around a certain topic or send frequency, consider adjusting your content or schedule. This isn't about changing your entire approach, it's about learning from the signals your audience is giving you. If you need to find a particular person, you can usually search within this list. Quickly confirming a single record helps you verify whether someone has already opted out before making any changes elsewhere in your account. Keeping this list accurate is one of the best ways to protect deliverability and respect customer preferences. There may be times when you need to resubscribe a contact manually. This should only happen if the person has explicitly asked to receive messages again or unsubscribed by mistake. Before you proceed, make sure you have clear permission and, if possible, keep a record of that consent for compliance and future reference. When you perform a manual resubscription, follow the on-screen prompts to change the contact status. Be mindful that some platforms treat different communication types separately, so confirm you're updating the correct channel if that applies. Taking a slow, careful approach here avoids accidental resubscribes. After resubscribing, it's a good practice to double-check the contact's profile to ensure the status reflects their current preference. Clear, up-to-date records help your entire team stay aligned and prevent confusion later. That's all there is to it. Go to Contacts, open Unsubscribed, review who opted out, and when appropriate, resubscribe a contact manually with proper permission. Managing unsubscribes well keeps your list healthy, your emails effective, and your audience confident in the control they have over their inbox.